we finally got to get some time and some precious help from some people from Martinique that came on their boat. And Sophie, she's helping with the animals here on Mayreau. So we are just clearing here everything so we can actually see what we can salvage and protect. As we're doing that, it's actually a very emotional time because I'm thinking of all the hard work, all the people that have come and worked so hard. Yeah, it's tough. It's really hard. Anyways, there are some things that we can salvage from all of that. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so we're starting to clear. Oh yeah, please, thanks.